What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. And for once in the last week, we can actually do a bullish update, which I'm pretty excited for. Some big things happened, some things we talked about, so I wanted to go over that. But apart from that, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Basically, what we'll do in this video is we'll cover some of the news that happened yesterday, inflation rate numbers. And then we'll take a look at the price and what I expect, because the title, believe it or not, is not clickbait. There's a real chance of actually starting another rally for Bitcoin right now. And with another rally, I mean a rally at least up to 22,500, but I would consider that very low. I'm like up to 25,000, I suppose. There's a realistic chance for that. All right, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but kind of wanted to explore that in this video. So apart from that, volume is probably very, very high. It's probably at around 50 billion. Yeah, good guess. Around 50 billion, which is amazing. Oh, we cannot see that anymore. What percentage of the market cap it is? Well, that's a shame. 50 million at least is quite a lot. Also for Bitcoin. So yesterday, obviously, what happened is we got the inflation rate, and the inflation rate was higher than expected, which is usually really bad for crypto. And initially it also was, but then already, I mean, we talked about two different scenarios. So basically, if it was higher than expected, the inflation rate, that we could either drop down all the way to 17,600 or do something like this and something like this. Because this happened the 13th of July. Back then, the inflation rate was also higher than expected. On that date, we dropped down and immediately went up. And to be honest, I mean, these moves, like what's happening now and what's happening here, are pretty identical, right? And what happened afterwards? We went up to 24,000. So that's the whole reasoning behind why I think there's a chance of having a rally. It's not over yet, right? Because we have a lot of resistance levels, but at least I think there's a chance. But yeah, so I also bought here at like 18,400. Was a pretty good buy. Didn't buy with leverage. Just bought some straight cash. We're up about 7.5% right now. Excuse me. So yeah, that's all amazing. Now let's actually get on with the technical analysis. So the thing is that we've actually broken through a couple of significant resistance levels. First, we broke through 19,250 yesterday already. That was great. And now we're kind of, I mean, you can see if we zoom in, you can see that we're stuck between this level here, 20,000 and 19,700, which we have broken above. In the ideal situation, what you would do is you would take a break retest off of 19,000, get up to 20,300, and then kind of stay here, right? Around 20,000 and 19,700, consolidate, and then later on this week, get up to our next price target, which is going to be 20,700, 20,800. Now, do I think this is the most likely scenario? I am not sure. All right, it's after days like these, when the market was very volatile, it's always hard to analyze. I would say it's a little bit more likely, just because of the move we've gotten, to drop down a little bit lower towards 19,500, that level, and then get back above towards 20,000, and then break above 20,000 either at the end of today or tomorrow, and then consolidate. Find resistance at that trend line, which is very strong, unfortunately. But I don't think it's strong enough to push us all the way down, because we've already broken above the 200 EMA, and the 200 EMA is usually the resistance level that pushes us down. So I am, as a matter of fact, expecting a move up to 20,500, either in the weekend or beginning of next week. So the consolidation time really depends on that. But yeah, so that's my take for Bitcoin today. If you thought it was valuable, please consider subscribing. Helps me out a ton. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.